The secret to a stronger core isn't endless crunches. It's consistency. And the best workout is the one you'll actually do. Join me for a session that's fun, effective, and accessible. And best of all, you can do right in your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated knee raise march. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, squeezing and contracting your leg muscles at the top of the movement. Moving into a side leg lift variation, alternate lifting each leg up, out to the side and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility in your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, and for more ease, return to the alternate leg lift variation. Stay connected to your breath as you keep your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Breathing wide into your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips. Breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. With your spine long, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long, maintaining your hips facing forward, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Step your feet wide, rooting down through both feet. Begin to alternate, reaching across your body, moving from right to left, keeping your core engaged and the weight even in your hips, stretching and lengthening through your side body while working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into a side reach variation. Alternate, extending one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize, working through the front, back, and sides of core while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach and extend through your left arm and leg. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.